Ever found yourself at wit's end with a stubborn pipe blockage? Or perhaps you've wondered what magic professional plumbers use to make stubborn clogs disappear? Well, there's no hocus pocus involved, just good old science and a technique known as hydrojetting. Hydrojetting, in essence, is a high-pressure water cleaning method. It's like giving the drain pipes a thorough power wash from the inside. A specialized machine is used, which pressurizes water to an extent that it can blast away even the most obstinate blockages. Picture a mighty river rushing through a canyon, sweeping away everything in its path. That's hydrojetting for you, but on a smaller, pipe-friendly scale. Now click the like button and continue watching. But how does it all work, you might wonder? The process is quite straightforward, really. A high-pressure hose connected to the machine is inserted into the pipe. Once the machine is turned on, it sends a powerful stream of water through the hose. This water stream, under immense pressure, effectively dislodges the blockage and flushes it away. It's like a power-packed water cannon, aiming right at the heart of the clog. Now let's take a moment to recap the key points about hydrojetting. First, it's a powerful method. We're talking about a water stream that can dislodge and flush away even the most stubborn clogs. Second, it's eco-friendly. No harsh chemicals involved, just water. Third, it's effective. It cleans the pipes thoroughly, leaving them as good as new. And lastly, it's a favorite among professional plumbers. After all, who wouldn't love a technique that saves time, effort, and the environment all at once? So the next time you find yourself dealing with a stubborn pipe blockage, remember this: there's no need for magic spells or elbow grease. Just a bit of science, a high-pressure water stream, and hydrojetting to the rescue. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.